Killer robots, sentient supercomputers, AI that can think, feel, and even go rogue. If your idea of artificial intelligence comes mostly from movies, you might be picturing pretty wild stuff. But how much of that Hollywood drama actually lines up with the cutting edge reality of AI today? Welcome to She Explores the Cosmos Artificial Intelligence. Get ready to bust some common AI myths and discover the truth behind the tech. The biggest myth is the idea of a super smart AI suddenly waking up and deciding to become evil and take over the world. You see it in so many movies. While scientists are researching human like AI, called AGI, it's nowhere near ready. It's a super difficult goal, and it'll happen slowly, if at all, over many, many years. Our current AIs are really good at one specific thing, like playing chess or recognizing faces. But they don't have feelings, thoughts, or plans to rule the world. They are just very advanced tools. Movies frequently equate AI with physically human like robots, perfectly mimicking our appearance and movements. So while engineers are working on advanced robots, most AI today doesn't even have a body. Think about it. The AI that powers Google search or TikTok's recommendations is just software, lines of code, running on huge computers. Even the robots that do have bodies, like those in factories, are usually designed for specific jobs, not to look human. Their purpose is for function, not fashion. The portrayal of AI experiencing love, fear, or existential angst is a powerful storytelling device. However, real AI, no matter how smart it seems, doesn't actually have feelings, thoughts, or self awareness like humans do. It operates on math and patterns. It can sound like it's feeling something or even generate a sad story, but it's just following algorithms and data. It doesn't experience those emotions. It's like a calculator that can solve complex problems, but doesn't feel happy when it gets the answer right. The narrative of rogue AI betraying its creators and causing widespread chaos is a favorite. But here's the truth: AI is just a tool. It's like a hammer. It's not good or evil on its own. If a hammer is used to build a house, it's good. But if it's used to break a window, it's bad. So if AI causes problems, it's usually because of mistakes in its design, unfair data it was trained on, or simply how humans chose to use it. This is why building AI with strong safety features and ethical guidelines is so important. In movies, AI often serves as a magic box that can instantly solve any problem presented to it, no matter how complex. Need to find out the perfect cure for a disease? Just ask the AI. Let's think back to the last episode. In reality, building powerful AI takes a lot of time, massive amounts of carefully prepared data, powerful computers, and a team of human experts working on it. AI is amazing at solving tough problems, but it's not a magic button. It's a complex and continuous effort. So, next time you're watching a sci fi movie with a world dominating AI, you'll know the real story is a bit different and honestly just as fascinating. Understanding the difference between movie magic and real AI helps us talk smarter about its future and how it can help us. I hope this exploration has helped you see the truth about AI beyond the big screen. Join us next week on She Explores the Cosmos Artificial Intelligence as we tackle one of the biggest challenges in AI, explainable AI, or XAI. If you learned something new, please consider giving us a thumbs up.